Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we fitted another simple basic Canbus based alarm where it basically uses the original remote control. Customer wanted something very simple to use, so we fitted this. So when he leaves the vehicle, if he just zaps it from here, he gets one chirp, one flash, and obviously it arms and locks. When he comes back to the vehicle, we hit it again. 2 bleeps, 2 flashes, system disarms. As soon as I arm it, we've actually fitted a shock sensor to the side and to the back in case it gets attacked. So if someone applies a force to it, it will obviously trigger. So what I'm going to do, I'll wait for it to set. It takes about a minute to set, and then you'll see me trigger it. Watch it go mad. Okay, so bear me a second. So now the alarm should be set. So now I'm going to apply force. So if you watch carefully, I'm going to apply force here and watch. There it goes, going mad. There it goes, going mad again. Okay. So let's just disarm it. And now finally I'm just going to jump in the vehicle. I'm going to show you the status LED, and then obviously you'll see if someone applies a force, opens the door, the alarm will go off again. So now what we're going to do is we're actually going to arm it. So if you see at the moment, we've obviously triggered the alarm is triggered in our absence, and it's given us a report back to say it triggers in our absence. So what we're going to do, I'm going to arm it now. Obviously, we're going to get a different status now of the LED. So now the system is armed. We've got visual indication at night. If you have a look on the top here, we've also got a button as an override. So should the tag, or should I say, should the remote control fail and then mechanically unlock it, then obviously the alarm will trigger. So what I'm going to do now is I'm actually going to open the door and watch it go mad again. So I'm going to open the door. There you go. And it's going mad. Okay. So let's just disarm it. So as I said, this is our entry-level Canbus alarm system with impact sensor, door protection, horn honk, and siren trigger and status LED. If you want to get one of these fitted, my name's our tow company, it's called London Car Alarm Company, 02890604780, 02890604780. Thank you for watching, bye-bye.